In my 26 years of teaching, I'd have to say that my favorite class to teach is multimedia journalism. And there's a lot of reasons why I like the class, primarily because it's student-centered. The kids have a lot of agency over what they're going to research and study and explore and create. And finally, in the end, they create a product for an end user to help our audience understand the world, to cut through myths and rumors, and to provide information that people can use to make good decisions about their life. It's super rewarding for me, and it's been really impactful for my students. And it's actually one of the main reasons why I was inspired to publish my book, Storytelling with Purpose, Digital Projects to Ignite Student Curiosity. Because in this era of artificial intelligence and low student engagement, we need more projects where students have agency over how they're learning and how they relate to content, and sort of unleash them to explore topics that are of interest to them and are helpful to the people in their community. And so in Chapter 8, I actually dedicate the entire chapter to how we can use multimedia research projects and digital storytelling projects as a form of inquiry in any subject area, whether it's math, science, social studies, you name it. And so I'm going to read a short excerpt from that, talking about how I compare journalism to STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. Okay, here we go. All right, journalism, STEM for the humanities. There is no greater way to motivate students than when they look for answers to questions that affect their family, friends, and community. Journalistic stories fulfill this need to find solutions to problems and celebrate successes through the lens of objectivity. Traditionally, students are encouraged to express themselves through stories by centering their personal worldview and experience, a concept that seems noble but can have the effect of elevating a singular perspective above others, limiting their ability to gain perspective and discouraging contextual knowledge. The social and political result of this mindset is that we develop a culture where we miss each other in translation and have difficulty agreeing on basic facts. Journalism stories require students to think and act in a way they are rarely, if ever, asked to do, which is to seek the advice of experts, present multiple credible perspectives, and embrace objectivity as a central ethical guideline. And so I would love for you to check out my book and see how multimedia research projects, including those with a journalism perspective and mindset, can elevate engagement and learning in your classroom.